Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the top hand in cricket batting. The top hand plays a pivotal role in controlling the bat face and directing the ball precisely. It's all about providing stability and guiding the bat through your shot. A firm, yet relaxed, grip is absolutely essential for effective top hand usage, allowing you to dictate the angle of the bat and influence shot placement with confidence. We'll cover key techniques to master this. Let's dive into the grip and wrist position. For your top hand, ensure your fingers are wrapped around the handle, not your palm, creating a V shape with your thumb and forefinger pointing down the bat. Keep your wrist slightly cocked. This allows for crucial flexibility and power generation. Remember, avoid a death grip. You want natural movement and flow for optimal control and shot execution. This subtle adjustment makes a big difference. Now, let's explore the top hand's role in shot execution. This hand initiates your downswing and guides the bat's path, ensuring accuracy. For defensive shots, it's key to keeping the bat face straight, offering a solid block. When playing attacking shots, the top hand allows for precise bat angle adjustments, helping you find gaps. Remember to maintain a soft top hand for those crucial late adjustments and delicate touch shots, giving you maximum control. Finally, let's address some common mistakes and offer helpful tips. A frequent error is overgripping with the top hand, which severely restricts your bat flow. Also, ensure your top hand doesn't dominate your bottom hand. A balanced effort is key. Practice drills focusing on top hand control, such as one-handed hitting, to build strength and feel. Always aim for a relaxed grip to allow for natural wrist movement and better shot execution. You'll see improvements quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.